Today we will be learning how to divide a decimal by a natural number. By the end of this video, you will be able to divide a decimal by a natural number less than 11. Question: there are 5 families and 1,955.5 chocolate bars in a room. How many chocolate bars does each family get if they were all split evenly? First, you have to ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 6? So that's twice. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now you have to subtract that. Bring down the 3. How many times does 3 go into 3? And that's once. So 1 times 3 equals 3. Then you have to subtract that. Bring down the 9. How many times does 3 go into 9? And that's 3 times. 3 times 3 equals 9. Subtract that. And then we have to bring down the 3. So, how many times does 3 go into 3? And that's once. Now, why don't you try the question I gave you at the beginning? Now, we will be answering the question I first told you. How many times does 5 go into 1? And that's 0 times. So we're going to jump up to the next 2 numbers. How many times does 5 go into 19? And that's 3 times. 3 times 5 equals 15. We have to subtract that. And bring down the 5. How many times does 5 go into 45? And that's 9 times. 9 times 5 equals 45. So then we have to subtract that. Bring down the next 5. How many times does 5 go into 5? And that's once. And then we have to we have to do 1 times 5. And it equals 5. We subtract that again. So then we have to bring down the next 5. How many times does 5 go into 5? And that's once. How many chocolate bars does each family get? 391.1 chocolate bars. In this video, you have learned how to divide a decimal by a natural number.